Hello and welcome back to Crafting with Tanya and Friends. Today I'm making a quick video tutorial for a group member. She wants to put together a foam box. I am doing a smaller scale just to show her how to put together the pieces. So I have my 6 pieces here, one for the top, one for the bottom, and 4 for the sides. Currently, they are all equal measurements. So they're about 1 1/4 inch long. But you don't want the sides to be the same length as the top and bottom piece. And that's because you're going to take the bottom and you want to nestle the sides like this. So you want it to actually be a little bit shorter. So when you put the other one in there, it'll actually fit. So what I'm going to do is just take a tad bit off of each side. Don't mind the little scissors I'm using. I have no idea where my other scissors are located, so I am just doing what I need to do. I'm just going to take off this much. And these are my sewing scissors. But that should be good. So I'm just going to take some hot glue and just glue it down. You just adjust the measurements to fit your liking. So then I'll just put the next one here. And as you can see, hold on, let me hold it up for you guys. There's a little bit that I need to take off. Now I'm going to add some hot glue. And I'm going to stick it there. And I'll just take this one, and I'll have to remove a little bit. And I'll take my hot glue, gun. Almost knocked over my lamp, you guys. Of course you want to glue the sides also, but I'm not using all this glue to do that right now. Then you're gonna take off whatever you need so you can nestle this one inside. I know using my sewing scissors for anything besides thread is a craft no-no, but I promise these are just my thread scissors. Oh, come on. And they're gonna glue. I'm accident prone today, guys. Hot glue everywhere. Then you take your top. My cuts are a little bit off, but oh well. It's just a quick tutorial. You're gonna glue. Cut off some of that. And then I'll place my top there. Of course, you're going to do your measurements just a tad bit better than mine, but there you go. Then you have your cube, your box. Thanks for watching.
I said don't stop, don't stop, don't stop talking to me. Stop, don't stop.